Thanks, Chris. I just would like to mention a couple of points. I think, frankly, the starting point of his speech when he talked about the issue of people want jobs, I think that's a very positive start, which actually is catching the pulse of the majority of the population of India. Similarly, social schemes, the allocation has gone up, which is also a very desirable direction for the country like India. Mr. Adi Godrej talked about the agriculture sector, but just to elaborate a little more, where the allocation has gone up by 22% to 27,000 crores. I think credit to farmers from 5,75,000 crores to 7 lakh crores is a good direction because this credit is really required at the farming level. Crop diversification is being encouraged. Nutrient-based crops are being encouraged. I think some of these details are very desirable. Watershed management, that's another area which is moving well. Second, then he talked about farmer-producer organizations. This is a very positive step where these organizations become like small cooperatives of farmers who have a better position for either purchasing side or selling side. So that's a very positive direction where the government would help fund setting up these farmer-producer organizations. That's a good direction. If I mention the second point which has been talked about is the infrastructure sector, that is being given tremendous focus, which is the requirement for a country like India for economic growth. Focus on the CCI under the Prime Minister. That's again coal. If you look at India, today India is the 5th largest reserves of coal, but we are still importing over 100 million tons, as mentioned by the Finance Minister. I think looking at PPP projects for improving the coal availability in the country rather than having to import, I think that's a good direction also. Overall, definitely it's an inclusive budget for development. But the one question which we were discussing, which is still not 100% clear, is that the total plan, the total expenditure is going up by about 2 lakh crores, whereas the indirect and direct taxes are not showing that it's going to meet this 2 lakh crores. So maybe there is still the fine print of the budget, which will come out with what is the situation on subsidies, what is the situation on some other areas. I think once we see that, we'll get to know. But this increase in expenditure and where is funded from, I think that's something we still have to understand.
Chandrajit, any points?